The U.S. Navy reports that a $60 to $70 million F-18 Super Hornet fighter jet fell off an aircraft carrier and sank into the Red Sea. Officials say it was a mishap while towing the jet around the hangar bay of the USS Harry S. Truman, a Nimitz-class carrier operating in the Red Sea since September. The two enlisted men involved were able to jump to safety, with only one sustaining a minor injury. The tow tractor was also lost. U.S. officials say a sharp turn by the carrier to avoid Houthi fire may have caused the mishap. Earlier this year, the carrier collided with a merchant ship. The carrier was slated to come home a month before the jet mishap, but its deployment was extended. No plans to retrieve the multi-million-dollar jet have been made at this time. Neither have any plans been made to retrieve the tow tractor.